Hi, naturalist engineer here at Lyonia Preserve, and there's some pretty cool stuff right here. Check it out. So, look at that inflorescence of sundew. See? Just sundew. And it's dried up enough to where this dog fennel has crept in. And you have these little hat pins or button grass and all the yellow-eyed grass. This is from last year. So yeah, I had no idea. I didn't realize it this entire time going into the higher sand scrubby area that they actually have this part, which is like the lowlands. I mean, like, this area could actually have pitcher plants. I mean, who knows? Maybe there are some in here. Probably the dwarf one. Oh, I see last year's red root. Nice. Oh, that's it right there. I believe this is red root. Yep. And it's I believe it's that guy right there. I'm not gonna pull it up, but guess what kind of color root it has. So then we progress to the highlands. Yeah, that is rusty featherbush. Yep. So yeah, it definitely has a different form. It's kind of woody. Look at all this Florida. They kind of split up the blue stems, especially in Florida. They made a whole bunch of species out of them. It was andropogon, now it's Anatherium.